Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Isabel and I am uploading videos every week regarding my hair, my life, and everything else in between. So if you're interested, make sure to go ahead and subscribe, and let's get on with the video. So I have this idea in mind where I want to basically start from zero and open up with you guys about everything that I have been using in my hair, how I feel about it, and then continue the videos on as so, because this is a natural, well, I don't want to use the term natural, I want to say healthy hair, curly hair, okay, yes, healthy curly hair journey. So that's what we're going to call this journey, because if you're not natural, that's fine, as long as you have your beautiful, healthy, curly hair. That's all that matters. So as I mentioned in my previous video, I do have high porosity hair, and I just figured that out. So I have 2 years post big chop. If you haven't watched my big chop video, make sure you go ahead, click the link down below, or just go on my channel and find the video. And I also have 2 big chop updates as well if you want more information on how that journey has gone. So for today's video, I'm just gonna go ahead and dive into products that I have been using. I'm going to first start off with products that I will just never use in my hair again. This is the Maui Moisture Care Heal and Hydrate Shea Butter Conditioner for dry, damaged hair. It says it softens, quenches, and repairs. Honestly, I feel like this does not soften my hair up at all. I actually used this yesterday, kind of like a reminder. I wanted to figure out why it was that I stopped using it, and it reminded me that it's because this does not soften your hair up at all when you're trying to comb through and condition your hair. So I actually had quite a bit left yesterday. I want to say maybe half the bottle, and I am the type of person that I'm really generous with my products when it comes to my hair. So I did use a lot of this just to see if it would work or what would it do to my hair, and honestly, it did not soften my hair at all. If anything, my hair became super brittle, super hard, and I was trying to comb my hair out for hours. I'm being exaggerated, but I lasted more than like 20 minutes trying to comb my hair out. The quicker the better, especially because my hair routine, my wash routine is already long enough. This does not help. So this is one item that I for sure will not buy again. It does smell good, but I feel like it's just the scent, the fragrance in it is really potent, and I'm better off with anything that's like really mellow and smells. My nose is really sensitive when it comes to scents, so scent wise, styling wise, product wise, this item I will not buy again. Now I want to get into my favorite items, products that I will continue to rebuy. I don't know if I would always rebuy them, but they're high on my list to always use. The first one that I have is a shampoo. So I actually have 2 shampoos. So this first shampoo I discovered at TJ Maxx, and it's the Main Choice Herbal Hair Tonic and Soy Milk Deep Hydration Shampoo. When I tell you that this, plus the conditioner, because I did buy the conditioner as well, softens your hair, like it feels like butter. I want to buy the entire hairline and use it for a month at a time and see the progress that my hair does with this product line specifically. But if you have not gotten your hands on this product, I definitely recommend that you go ahead and go to the store and try to get it, because honestly, anytime I see this at Marshall's, at TJ Maxx, wherever I'm at, I grab it because it's just so good. And I actually got this for $9. I don't know what the original price is on their website, or if you go to a regular beauty supply store. The price is faded on here, but this was $8 at TJ Maxx. So if you're able to find products at your local TJ Maxx, Marshalls, I definitely recommend that you go ahead and grab it. This is the way that I have found many of my products through TJ Maxx and Marshalls. So that's a way of saving money on really good hair products. The next one that I have is this Nexus Therapy Ultimate Moisture Shampoo, 0% silicone. If you care about it, I honestly don't. I just buy whatever works for my hair. I have used this product for a very long time, even before going natural, cutting my hair off. Since my mom works in a salon, she always used to get me these big bottles. So this one plus the conditioner, I use the conditioner up completely. That conditioner is also my favorite. It definitely gives you that moisture, that slip that you want when you are conditioning your hair compared to the Maui. So I definitely do recommend these. These are good because it's high in protein, especially for my hair. It does require a lot of protein. So this has elastin. Okay, listen, my pronunciation with words in English, I am bilingual, it's not the best, okay? So elastin, protein, and green caviar. This is what this has. I used this yesterday for my wash day, which is what I'm currently rocking right now. This did not dry out my hair. It didn't feel stripped. It was just like really moisturized, and I can tell the bounciness in my hair while I was washing it. So yeah, I definitely want to go ahead and pick up the conditioner again. I run through conditioner so fast because I use so much in my hair. But this, I swear, if you have not tried it before, I definitely do recommend that you go ahead and pick it up. I have seen these that they do have them at wholesale stores. So I shop at Sam's. They have these at Sam's. I think I've seen them before at BJ's. So if you're looking for that, that is your spot to go and find them. However, you can also get these at the beauty supply store. I think the prices don't really vary because there are such big bottles, but I definitely do recommend. The next one that I have is the Hydrate Curl Immersion. This is also another gem that I found in Marshall's. So if you haven't picked up already, I'm letting you know that's the place to go to find your products, okay? This I got for $20, I believe. The tag has definitely faded off, but compared to the original price, which I can't see here, is $55. So if you do the math, okay. This is the Hydrate Curl Immersion No Lather Coconut Cream Cleansing Conditioner. So basically this is a moisturizing co-wash. When I clarify my hair, what I like to do is follow it up with the co-wash because I don't want my hair to be dry. I need as much moisture as I can get, and this honestly does that. I use this only sometimes, not always, because I rather shampoo my hair, but as I said, whenever I clarify, this is my go-to. Basically, to me, it kind of preps it for conditioner because it smooths out your hair and brings back that moisture that your cleansing shampoo washed out. So definitely recommend 100%. Now, I know that the original price in this is pretty pricey. I honestly wouldn't pay $55 for a bottle, but considering the size, I guess it's not bad, and the brand as well. But if you can find it at your Marshalls or TJ Maxx, that's where you gotta get it. Now, a new favorite of mine is this Tgin Buttercream Daily Moisturizer. Guys, I just found this item. If you remember my haul in one of my vlogs, I mentioned that I had gotten this at Marshall's, and this was actually in the sale section. I can't see the price that they had for prior to it being on sale. Let me see if I can get this off and see what's the price. So they had it originally for $9. I don't know what the original price of this specific item would be, but this retailed at Marshall's for $10, and then they priced it down to $8. So this is the Tgin Buttercream Daily Moisturizer. This is what it looks like. It smells so good. So these items that I've been saying that they smell really good, they're not potent the way that the Maui Moisture is. The smell is there, but it's really subtle. So this is with shea butter and vitamin E. As I said, I like to hydrate my hair and replenish that moisture whenever I do wash it. So this definitely does that. This is what I have in my hair currently. I washed it yesterday. I didn't even style it. I didn't even split it up into sections. Literally just applied this and went about my day. I literally washed my hair at like 6 p.m., 7 p.m. at night. So I wasn't going to sit here and style it. I just put this on and let it air dry for a little bit and went to sleep. I honestly went to sleep with my hair extremely wet. I just put it in my little silk bonnet and woke up and my hair ended up like this. So not bad. Another item that I am currently rocking in my hair is this Jamaican black castor oil strengthen and restore leave-in conditioner with shea butter, peppermint, and apple cider vinegar. If you don't know, now you know. I love using apple cider vinegar in my hair because I feel like it does something to my hair, brings the curls back, you know. I love it. What I did is with this, I applied it in the shower, and when I got out the shower, I applied the Tgin Buttercream into my hair. So this leave-in makes my hair feel super smooth. I love it. Also brings back the curls without needing to have extra styling products in it. This is usually my go-to method whenever I do wash my hair and I'm not going anywhere. I don't like to style my hair too often. It takes too much work, especially when I decide that I want to go out. I don't go out often, but when I do want to go out and I want to style my hair, make sure that my hair is really nice and luscious and I have those nice tight ringlet curls and really shiny hair. It does take a while for me to style it because I split my hair up into sections and I rake it through with my fingers and also try to finger curl some areas. So if you know, you know, it definitely does take some time. However, this plus my buttercream, I love it. Yeah, I really love that. Provides the moisture that my hair needs after being washed and not needing to style it. So that's my hair. I know that a lot of people are against Shea Moisture and they don't really use them as much anymore, but for me it works. I'm gonna stick with what works for me, and if it's not broke, don't fix it. So the next two products I have Shea Moisture as well. This is the same line, just the shampoo and conditioner. I love this shampoo. I feel like it cleanses my hair really well whenever I need like to clarify, but I don't want to like do too much. I like to use this, and then if I need to follow up with any other shampoo, as you guys have seen in my last wash video, I did follow up with this one just to bring a little bit of hydration back into my hair and to prep it basically for like a conditioner, so that works. And then this conditioner also gives me the slip. It doesn't give me the slip that the Nexus conditioner gives me, but it definitely does help to comb my hair out when I need it to after washing. I can definitely say that the Shea Moisture conditioner, I don't think it's a necessity. I don't think I'll be rebuying, but if I ever need to, I know that I do like it, and it's maybe a product that I'll keep in my rotation sometimes. Now the last Shea Moisture product I have, this is the Strengthen and Restore Treatment Mask, same line. I do have a TikTok on my page with this mask. I like using this. Oh my God. This whole line just smells so good. I just love like the, kind of gives me like a vanilla smell. It doesn't really have vanilla, but I smell vanilla for some reason. I use this with the Jamaican black castor oil, the actual oil that I got at Target. I don't have that bottle with me. I think I used it all up, so I threw it out. But I like using this as a pre-conditioning prior to washing my hair. I feel like it makes it easier as well to wash and comb my hair out in the shower, but just giving my hair that moisture on a weekly basis, this had been my go-to. I still do need to look into other masks, but I also do want to try homemade DIY masks, and I have a couple that I want to try, so I will also be making a video on that as well. Hand in hand with conditioners and leave-ins, I have tried the Kinky Curly Not Today Natural Leave-In and Detangler. I think I tried using this to style my hair that's a no-no. I wouldn't leave it in because it doesn't really mesh well with the products that I tried using it with. So I did try to use it with this Mixed Chicks Coil Kink and Curl Styling Cream. This I also discovered through TJ Maxx Marshalls. This was $9. Every time I see this at the store, I always pick them up. If there's multiple, I grab them all because I swear by this to style my hair. I just love how shiny and wrinkly my hair looks. It's really gives me that Shirley Temple curls individually, and I love it. So this is also definitely a go-to. I use this product by itself when I'm styling. If you guys want a styling video, I think I can make that for you guys and show you the process, and like a couple days after I also style my hair. Well, back to this one. It definitely does help detangle. So if I were to buy it, it would be to just condition and detangle my hair in the shower. But honestly, for $13, and I use so much product at a time when I'm conditioning my hair and trying to detangle, I don't think I would be rebuying this. But you know, it does work for some people. For me, it did work, but I honestly don't love it to rebuy, especially for the price and the amount that it brings. So I personally prefer obviously bigger bottles because I'm so generous with the amount of products that I use in my hair. This is the Sunny Isle Jamaican Black Castor Oil Intensive Repair Mask. This is damage reversal formula infused with 100% Jamaican Black Castor Oil, wheat protein, coconut oil, grapeseed oil, linseed oil, and safflower seed oils and vitamin E. I don't love the scent. It's another product that is really potent in fragrance. I can honestly just do without. However, when I did use this last time, and I did get this as well from TJ Maxx, the price did fade off, but I did see that they have this on Amazon, and I did link it in my last wash video. It did make my hair soft. Okay, so as I was saying, because my camera stopped recording, I don't know if it was not recording for a while, but I wouldn't rebuy this product just because of the scent. Like I said, I'd rather something that's really mellow and not too potent. The last one that I have, and you guys know what it is extra virgin olive oil. The last hair mask that I did on my hair, I included that, and honestly my ends loved it. Like, when I tell you that my hair was like super hydrated, it felt super smooth. I really loved that feeling in my hair. So I'm definitely going to start incorporating extra virgin olive oil a lot more into my hair care regimen because I see that it's loving it. So, you know, just paying attention to what my hair loves, what it doesn't love, and how it feels is really important. And I do suggest that you guys also do the same because that's going to help you basically get the best result in your hair. So as I said, I did wash my hair yesterday, so this is just second day hair. I didn't do anything to it this morning. I just took off my bonnet and let it out and finished air drying. So this is what I have and what I've been working with all day. I want to show you guys my hair always in its natural state, and especially when I don't try to do much, you know, just effortlessly curled, because we don't always have the best hair days. But yeah, that's the video for today. If you guys enjoyed, make sure to go ahead and subscribe. Don't forget, click that post notification bell so you're notified whenever I post a video, and make sure to go ahead, leave a like, and let me know what you would like to see coming up next. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.